Hello friends, welcome to my channel Healy for World. I am Dinesh Mishra and professionally I am a maths teacher. I teach maths for engineering aspirants who want to aspire for Indian Institute of Technology entrance exam here over in India. And I am based in Central India, Madhya Pradesh, Jabalpur, and associated with Healy since past few months. Like I am using Healy, both the apps like Pink app and Resonance app since October 2020. And as per my experiences on this wonderful device, I will like to prepare this demo video which may help you to know Healy better. Friends, I have already created my video in Hindi for those who are not good in English and want to see the Healy demo in their own language. So here's the link for it. You can go for this link if you want to see this demo in Hindi. So friends, let's start with Healy. Actually, to know Healy better, just we have to go in the background of the things what happened and what initiated the process of the development of this amazing device Healy. Here is a wonderful scientist. Some 100 years back we have Nikola Tesla, who said that if you want to find the secrets of universe, you have to think in terms of energy, vibrations and frequencies. Nikola Tesla is a very famous scientist. He worked so much in the field of alternating current that we use over in our homes for electrification, and also he did a wonderful and commendable job in the field of wireless communication. So he knew it some 100 years back that you have to look into energy, vibrations and frequencies. He also said that once we start studying and exploring the non-physical world, then the mankind will make more development in a decade as compared to the developments made since the existence of mankind. So what does he meant by non-physical world? Again, by non-physical world he meant to say energy, vibrations, frequencies. So these two statements overall indicates or hints us that what's going to be in the future. Okay, so who doesn't know him? The very famous Albert Einstein, a physicist, a scientist. He also quoted some 100 years back that future medicines will be the medicines of frequency. You have a headache, you will take frequencies. You will have stomach ache, you will take a frequency. Oh, you have some skin problem, you will go for frequencies. You have some mental imbalance, you are like some kind of dealing with depression, insomnia, anxiety, you will take some frequencies. So that's what Healy is doing, right? And Mr. Einstein has already said it some 100 years back. So here we are going in the right direction. So friends, further we have to see this thing that our body consists of these 11 organ system: circulatory, digestive, endocrine, exocrine, immune system, muscular system, nervous system, renal, respiratory system, reproductive system and skeletal system. So what does all these 11 systems made up of? These all 11 systems are made up of tissues and organs. And what does these tissues and organs are made up of? These are made up of cells. Cells are made up of molecules. Molecules are made up of atoms. And what comprises an atom? What's inside there in an atom? An atom is made up of various subatomic particles like electrons, protons, neutrons, and there are lot more subatomic particles. And already in so many years, various scientists have already proved that these subatomic particles are not basically particles, but they are waves, they are energies, they are vibrations, right? So if you come from top to the bottom, what can you say? We can now conclude that our body is made up of energy. The final most innermost thing what makes us is not a rigid or solid thing, rather it is an vibration, it's energy. And friends, you can see over here, not even living, but non-living things are also made up of what? Same thing, molecules, cells, atoms, subatomic particles, again energy. So now we can say that all living and non-living things are rightly made up of energies. Here comes the new medicine. Nowadays, our biophysicists believe that our molecules can be controlled via frequencies. So now frequencies are quite capable of controlling our molecules. So that's what Healy does. You can see over here, Healy does two things. It analyzes, okay? It analyzes and then it delivers. What does it analyze? It analyzes those specific frequencies which are creating energy imbalances in our body. And what it delivers? It delivers the specific frequencies back to our body, those which are needed to overcome those imbalances. You can see that Healy doesn't only work in one dimension, but it is such a multidimensional thing, right? It works in so many areas, like it works in our physical body, mental balance, emotional balance, meridians. So what are these meridians? Meridians are nothing but energy highways or energy pathways. Of course, these are the channels or pathways along which there are acupressure points, okay, which we use for different kind of therapies. Chakras, in English we call it chakras, in Hindi we call it chakra. That's the thing of our ancient saints of India. They already said that our body has 7 different energy centers, and these different energy centers are called chakras. In English we call them chakras. Then Healy also works in bioenergetic field. So what does we actually mean by bioenergetic field? See, it is assumed, or we can say it is discovered by various scientists, including the developer of Healy, Mr. Marcus Kimike. What is bioenergetic field? We have two kind of bodies, okay? One is this physical body and the other one is your consciousness, or you can call the spiritual body, right? Our physical, like for example, you are listening to this video, you are listening to me, so your physical body is not listening to me, rather you are listening to me by your consciousness, your spiritual body that can listen and interpret the things, okay? So this physical body can interact with the spiritual body, or you can call it our consciousness, via a field called as bioenergetic field. And these two bodies communicate to each other via frequencies. So language of communication is frequencies and medium of communication is bioenergetic field. Lastly, Healy also deals in learning. So friends, to understand Healy, we should look upon this cell membrane voltage model, which is given to us by the two leading scientists, Mr. Roberto Becker and John Nordstrom. These two scientists discovered all these things, that you have to see this in diagram, that when the potential difference of cell, what do you mean by potential difference of cell? The potential difference is the difference of potential inside and outside the cell, okay? That is called potential difference. If potential difference of a cell is minus 70 millivolt, then the cell is young. And if due to any reason this potential difference changes to say minus 50, minus 30, minus 15, say 0, as you can see in the graphical interpretation, you can find that the cell which was earlier young at minus 70 millivolt is now changing into a tumor cell and ultimately resulting into the death of cell. So somehow, by something, if we can diagnose the cells which are weakening like this, and if we can provide them suitable microcurrent so that we can regenerate or enhance the losing potential difference, so we might be able to restore or regenerate those kind of cells. That's what Mr. Marcus did. He developed the quantum sensor. What does this quantum sensor do? This quantum sensor actually determines the cells who are losing this kind of or losing, or you might call it gaining, because -70 to 0 it's kind of an increase, but anyway, this negative change into cells are read by that this quantum sensor, and then it also determines the resonance frequency what that body needs to repair that kind of change or to reverse that kind of negative change, and that way Healy heals, or in that way Healy works. So here are two visionaries, here are two big scientists, and friends, number one, Mr. Marcus Kimicke. Marcus Kimicke, I don't know I am whether pronouncing this thing right or wrong, but anyway, because I don't have that kind of accent what usually Germans or Europeans do have, because I am from India, from Asian continent. So Mr. Marcus Kimicke was very, as far as I have been through his videos, what I am saying in this video are the things what I got to know by reading various vlogs and various by watching various videos of Mr. Marcus, in which he said that he was quite interested in quantum physics since he was just 15, and from 15 years to 20 years he been through various universities. He tried getting understanding quantum physics but was not satisfied, and then he came back to my own country, India, stayed over in the Himalayas for a very long span of time, 11 to 12 years, as he said. He stayed over there in India, and after that he came back to Germany, and then he worked on this quantum sensor, and then occurred his association with Mr. Nuno Nina. Nuno Nina is basically a Portuguese therapist. He was already working with frequencies, treating patients using frequencies, and when these two gentlemen met, Healy originated. So basically Healy is having a quantum sensor which reads the frequencies or the microcurrents required by that particular person for the particular chosen condition, and then Healy delivers him with the right frequency to heal his ailments. So here is this small device Healy, and in the back of Healy there is a quantum sensor right here in the middle. These two gentlemen developed 1,44,000 frequencies for this small wonderful device. Actually, Healy is developed by a company of Marcus Kimicke, which is Timewaver. Timewaver has already developed frequency machines quite bigger in size and very costly and requires huge setups and expertise to operate. So those machines are already there in various parts of the world, and I think the achievement of this team is that they have made such a useful technology so portable that now it's like this and can be simply operated by even a 5-year or 6-year-old kid. So it's that simple as that. And I think the important part of Healy is kind of artificial intelligence which it uses, and simplicity by which you can apply frequencies or program pages on you. This wonderful device Healy comes up with 3 different types of electrodes that I am going to show. Number 1, it has these type of wristbands, okay, wristbands which we have to put on in our wrist. So I am just putting on these wristbands. Next type of electrode what we get with Healy are these ear clips provided here with the Healy, and we can use these clips right like this in our ears like this. And the next type of, or the third type of electrode what we get with the Healy are these adhesive electrodes. and we can take them out. And suppose we are having some kind of pain over here, I can stick it over here at a place, and then I can use the second one also like this, and then I can put on the cords. Okay, so these are three types of electrodes we get with Healy, and to connect these electrodes we have this kind of cable, and very soon they are going to replace this cable, or they will be providing this cable along with a device they are going to launch soon called Healy coil. And that coil device can be directly put over here, and it can be used in, I think, few 1, 2 or 3 meters surrounding without the use of these wired electrodes, right? So primarily I am showing you Healy. Okay, just push once this power button, it gets on. Now there are holes like this where you have to insert these kind of electrode cable provided to us with the Healy. Okay, we have inserted this like this, the one end, and now suppose I have kept it in my pocket, and now the other ends of electrode I will put on them in my wristbands like this. Okay, so suppose I was using these adhesive electrode, then I would have pasted them wherever I am having pain or any wound support or whatever, any skin scars or whatever I am having, and on these buttons then I will be putting or connecting these cables of the Healy like this, right? And in case I am using the ear clips, so this ear clips will be connected to my ears, and the other ends like this will be connected to directly Healy. Okay, so which electrode to be used when, that is even guided by Healy only, you don't have worry for it. So now I am showing you the Healy app, first app, what we call as Pink Dot app. That's the basic Healy app. And in my app, you can see over in the screen, in my app I am having a resonance plan. So basically all the 15 program pages I am having at the moment in my Healy. You can see over here in the screen, right from the top, gold cycle. I opened it in gold cycle, pure, care, balance, being, energy, release, relax. These are very good programs, and gold cycles are available in all kind of editions of Healy. So these are most powerful cycle. I think I have heard a lot of interviews of Marcus in which he is saying that gold cycles are quite useful. And now see the next one, pain and psyche, chronic pain, chronic back pain, teeth jaw local, joints local, migraine, insomnia, depression, anxiety. But by my experience I have found that if you are using properly the gold cycles, you might not even need the pain psyche page, because gold cycle is so powerful, it can deal and cure so many different things that you might not need the pain and psyche page, right? So I was just telling you this thing, like suppose I wanted to use pure program on me. I have connected my wristbands. Now I tapped pure. You can see over here in the screen. Now the device is showing the wristbands, means the device tells you which electrode you have to put on. Like in pure it's showing the wristbands. Now I get back to the app, next page. Now suppose I choose the chronic pain. See what it's showing. In chronic pain it's showing the ear clips. So device is telling you which electrode we have to use for which program. Again get back to this thing. Now suppose I select my say the local joints local program. In joints local program it's showing these kind of adhesive electrodes. Now it's asking you to connect these to your problem areas. So the device itself tells you that which program you have to use. Okay, now this next page, learning, very useful for everyone. I will not say that only for students, but rather everyone need these programs, and really these works I've tried it. Concentration, cyst, concentration, acute. See, there are programs like first one, learning, cyst, SYST, cyst. CYST stands for Learning Systematic Program. What is the meaning of systematic in terms of Healy? Okay, systematic programs run in 3 different modes, right? Wherever you will find this word in the Healy app, systematic programs run in 3 different modes. Number 1, real time. Number 2, resonance. And number 3, indication mode. Suppose I started learning cyst. I am just showing you by an example. It's showing maximum program duration 57 minutes. Start. I have started this program. Now you can see it's copying the program from my mobile to this Healy device via Bluetooth. No internet required. Of course, this device, even both the apps like Pink app and the Blue app, Blue means the Resonance app, both works quite well without internet as well. Gradually once a week or 10 days you must connect to the internet, so that if there is some kind of update to the application, you get the update suitably. So for day-to-day use you don't need internet anyway. So now see, you can see that the programs is bit copy. Someone says that it's quite slow, but again I think that it's a medical device. It's ISO 13485 cleared, so it must be going through certain security protocols. That's why I think it might be slow. So you can see the program has been already started, and the learning program, it's showing 57 minutes and a red dot came up, and you can see gradually there is a black line building behind that red dot. So black line indicates that either I have to increase this sensitivity, which is shown over here by plus minus sign, or I have to adjust my electrodes so that the connection can be properly made. So I will try by increasing this intensity 20%, 25%, 30%, 35%. You can see over here in the screen, 40%, 45%. Oh, now see, there's a white line behind the red dot. So 45%, 50%, 60, 65. See, that is immaterial. Even if you are using lesser intensity on your screen and you're not feeling the frequencies, don't worry, still they are working. So it's not necessary that you should run on 100% so that you can feel it. I don't think it works like that. So just the optimum thing is, once you are increasing the intensity, so that percentage is good in which you are getting that white line behind the red dot. Now see, connection to my electrodes. Suppose I am removing this electrode from my wristband. Okay, I have removed it. Now see over in the screen, what you have got? The black line behind that red dot means we have lost the connection. Now I am again putting this electrode over here in the bracelet. See, here comes the white line. So that white bold line just behind the red dot indicates the better connection, and intensity you can choose as per your convenience. If I tap the screen once, it pauses the application. Now again I tapped, restarted. Now you can see, just I was telling you earlier that this systematic programs runs on 3 modes: real time, resonance, indication. Real time is sort of, it is bombarding with different kind of frequencies, just warming you up. I think that's what it's doing with me at moment. And then it goes off to the resonance mode. In resonance mode you will find that just below that bigger circle you will find some kind of percentages written, or they will appear over there from -100 to +100, means at that moment resonance mode is going on. And in resonance mode the device reciprocates as per your requirement, means the quantum sensors of this device just behind here over here, reads my microcurrents, and accordingly it updates the frequency requirements. Like you can see over in the top, it's giving me 1.8 hertz, and now it has been changed to 677.7 hertz. So it is working real time, means in the real time it's updating frequencies or bombarding different frequencies on me. So that's why Healy is so effective, because it always works in auto mode. Once I have connected this thing with me, now I can do anything. Like I can do my desktop work, I can do exercises, I can do any stuff. So no need to sit idle with the electrodes on like this. So for time being I am just quitting this app, and it asks me, do you really want to close the program? Okay, I have chosen okay. Now let me show you a few more program pages. Next one is fitness, very useful program. Weight, okay, it's weight management program, but don't think that you can use it for weight loss. Okay, it's not a weight loss program, rather it's weight management program. Muscles, circulation, performance, strength, stamina, regeneration, deep relaxation. Now come again, next program page, job, sleep, activation, positive thoughts. You can see over here a lot of useful programs are there. Extreme stress, sleep systematic programs, bed rest, balanced sleep, fine flow. Now the mental balance programs. See, the mental balance, acute means right at the bottom. Acute means you have to use that programs via ear clip. Syst means systematic programs, what I just explained earlier. Systematic programs are always used via wristbands. Mental balance, contentment programs are of course very useful. So beauty, skin, okay, beauty, inner beauties, hairs, skin, aging, nails, skin elasticity. Now right from the bottom, the second row, it shows supports skin cyst. This is basically earlier called as wound support. Okay, so we use it for wound or any cut or any local wound, internal or external support program. Now next one is skin impurity systematic program. It is used for acne treatments, okay, or if any kind of like marks you are having on your skin. Support skin local, it's again wound support, but local wound support means you have to use these adhesive electrodes. Suppose you have a cut over here or here, you have to put these electrodes right on the beside of that cut, and then you can use it. So it works like that. Now the next one is scars local, any kind of mark in our body. Local and cyst. Local means by adhesive electrodes, cyst means it will be used via these wristbands, right? Now Bioinostic Harmony 1 and Harmony 2, these are our first aid kits of home, and we can use in so many conditions like immune system. Chilling means cold program. Hypersensitivity matlab it is like allergies, eyes, hormones, intestine, nerves, flexibility, circulatory system. It's good for BP patients. Potency, menopause, menstruation local. Then Harmony 2, gastro, bacteria, tonsils, liver, food sensitivity, toxins. Head, we have tried head for a few vertigo patients, it worked well. Prostate, lungs, thyroid gland, joints, bones, sciatica local. Now next two pages are meridian 1 and meridian 2. Meridian 1, meridian 2, these are energy pathways, energy highways. Okay, so of course this spleen pancreas meridian in meridian 2 page is very useful for diabetics, and circulation for BP patients. Lot of useful meridians are there, you can try. Then come on to the next chakras. We in Hindi we call them chakra, crown chakra, third eye, throat, heart chakra, solar plexus, sacral, root chakra. So you have to read somewhat about these chakras, and you can find a lot of content on that. So just know before using on which area you want to actually work. Just for example, if you want to become a good orator, you want to have a command over your throat or over your speech, you should work on throat chakra. Suppose you want to enhance your sexual activities, or you want to enhance your creativity, you have to work upon the sacral chakra. So like that, you have to read somewhat that which chakras work on which areas of physical and mental things. So accordingly you can use these programs. Now the protection programs, general protection to planets. Of course these are very good programs. Like suppose you are living in big cities, lot of radiations and electromagnetic waves are there, so you have to use electrosensitivity once or twice a week. I think it works well, but I don't know, but yes, for few people it's working great. Now next one is deep cycle program. That's again very useful programs. You can go slow, you can go gradual, you can go systematically in organized way. First application, second application, third application, like this, till pure calm. Of course, kidney male, kidney female, you have to choose one as per gender, but you can go gradually from the first application to the last one, and be slow, don't be fast. Like take first application 1 or 2 days, then take second application 1 or 2 days, and remember, don't take more than 3 frequencies per day, right? At the beginning, take only 1 or 2 frequency programs per day, and always keep minimum 3 to 4 hours duration between any 2 frequency programs that you have taken. Let the body work on it. Don't be in hurry, okay? The smaller, the gradual you move is better for your health. And drink a lot of water while using frequency. Drink at least 1 glass of water before taking frequencies, and 1 glass after using frequencies. And before using Healy, don't forget to read the contraindication. That's very essential thing, like the conditions in which you have not to use these programs. Like there are a lot of literatures available on this, so you have to read those things first, or ask the person who is introducing you to Healy, so what are contraindications. So I think we can make separate video on that. I will not include contraindications. You have to read it properly before using Healy on your body. Now bioenergetic support. Coherence is quite a new program. It's just launched in this year 2021 only. Bioenergetic boost is again a very essential program. Coherence is made up of some kind of Pythagoras formula. Pythagoras was a very famous mathematician, and it works on the frequency of entire universe, and there are a lot of mathematical stuffs in it, so I think it's quite useful. And in one of the interviews I have saw that Marcus has showed some kind of blood reports before and after the coherence, and that there was a huge improvement in that. So I think that's a wonderful program, and everyone must take at least once a day or once or 2 days. So after all these programs, at the end you will find that there is a therapist program window that's blank over here. There are various leading therapists over there in the world. You can make custom programs as per your requirement, and the programs will be copied over here. Suppose you have upgraded your Healy and you are not able to see your programs, just put the menu, go to the bottom, in the bottom go to the settings. In the settings, just check for updates, and your Healy will be updated for the latest programs. So that's all for the pink app. Now in a brief, I will show you the blue app, the resonance app, what they call as Heal Analyzer Advisor app. So my Healy is on, and here on the screen you can see the Heal Analyzer Advisor app, which is blue app, or we can call it blue dot app. Basically it is a resonance app, and in resonance app we have these two kind of analysis, resonance analysis and aura analysis. So first of all, just I will show you how to make a profile of a client. I just selected the home. Under the home I will go for the clients. Now add new client. See, you can make the account of person, animal, plant, organization, buildings, vehicle, group, others. I choose person. Under the segment person, I will just take up the photograph, take photo, and in the photograph I will take my photo like this. I selected OK. Then I have to record vibration, plus sign I choose, then again plus sign. I've taken Healy on my right hand, and then I am selecting the record vibration tab. Yes, it's connected. It's recording my vibrations, you can see. It's done. Actually, the vibrations are my digital footprint. Healy recognizes me not by name or photo, those things are just for me. It's recognized me by my vibrations. So, its quantum sensor recorded my vibrations or my digital identity with the Healy, and now it can diagnose me. So, I will put on the things like the title, Mr. Dinesh, and I am for the moment leaving rest of the fields like last name, date of birth, place of birth. I have selected the gender, and other details you can fill whatever you think have. Now at the bottom, synchronize client data. Yes, I did. I want that the data should be synchronized with the cloud so that I don't lose these data when I change my mobile. So in the top right, I selected it. Yes. Yes. Do you want to perform a new analysis now? Yes, I want to perform new analysis. Yes. Which type of analysis I want to perform? The device is asking. Let's see aura analysis first. I selected aura analysis. Now record aura. It's recording my aura from my profile. You can see my photo over there. Now in this pic you can see 3 bars in the top right corner, and if I press it, it shows the energy level of my various chakras. Isn't it amazing? So much energy, I am glad. Total energy 91%. I think this energy level is nothing but magic of Healy, right? So still Healy want to work on my crown chakra, forehead chakra and throat chakra. I can select or deselect, like if I want that I don't want to work on crown chakra, I can remove it. Okay, I want that it should work on my sacral, so I can tick sacral chakra, or I can remove or add whatever, but I will go by the recommendations of Healy only. Now start analysis. Now again start analysis. It is doing the analysis. You can see over in the screen. Now from the actions tab, I can add manually few frequencies. For that I will make separate video, because otherwise today's video is already so lengthy and you will be getting bored, so I am not doing it. From show PDF I can get the PDF, I can share it with anyone now, but I am going for vibrate. I have to choose some time slot. Suppose I choose, just I am giving demo, I am choosing 8 second 444Z. 444Z means 444 milliseconds, right? I've selected it. Start. Now it is sending affirmations to my information field, and this works even when I am not close to Healy. So it works even at distance, because these are just affirmations, not vibrations, sent into your information field. It can be transmitted from anywhere to anywhere without the lapse of time. So again there is a zigzag button in the center, wave pattern. I pressed it again. Again I want to show you how we can do the resonance analysis. I selected the resonance analysis, and my profile was Dinesh. Okay, in my profile, continue with the database selection. Yes. Now see, there are a lot of things in Healy, this resonance app. First one is digital nutrition mixture program. There are a lot of pre-made mixture sort of programs. I can analyze it for myself, and then I can vibrate that to my information field. Bach flower remedies, materia medica. Materia medica means I can scan myself for homeopathy things, amino acid, Australian bush flower, Alaska gem flowers. Right at the bottom, I will go with all Healy programs. I selected it. Now start analysis. Now I have to put a thumb. I can put any thumb, left, right, anything. Just the app wants my attention to it. Okay, I am giving attention to it right now. So analysis is complete, and while you were pressing that icon of thumb, you have to think about the wellness of that client whom you are going to send the frequencies or the affirmations. Now 65% it shows gold cycle, right? 54% meridian programs too. So it decides the priorities, what it wants to give to me. And if further I want to know which programs inside gold cycle, then I have get back again to my profile, and while choosing the database, I have to choose the database gold cycle programs. So then I can see that which programs it is suggesting for me under the gold cycle program page. Like suppose it's showing 54% for Healy Meridians program 2, and I wanted to know that which programs actually it is suggesting for me under that page. So I have to rescan myself, and when in the selection of database I selected all Healy programs, instead of that I have to choose which program, this one, the Healy Meridian program 2, just to know that which programs it is suggesting for me at all. But I don't want to know it, I just want to vibrate these things into my information field. I will select action, vibrate. I will choose a time slot. Suppose I choose again 8 seconds. Just I am choosing 8 seconds because I want to do it fast, just to show you the things. Start. See, else what should be an optimum time frame? So 37 second slot for 8 to 9 times or 7 to 8 times for acute problems, and for chronic issues that 2 minutes something slot should be given 3 to 4 times a day. That's advisable by a lot of experts. That's what I am telling you. So now see, it's over. Now I'll get back to that zigzag icon. That's the starting point of Healy. If you watched my video till this place, don't forget to like it. Do share my videos with your friends, with your relatives who want to know more about Healy. And if you are interested in my Hindi video, you can watch it over in my channel. It's already there, Hindi demo video. And don't forget to subscribe this channel so that you can find my videos easily in next coming days. So friends, thanks for watching. Have a wonderful day. Take care. Bye bye.